Today is day 2 of GenAI 50 Days 50 Concept series. Today's video is on neural network. How machines can recognize cats in photos or write like humans or even predict the next word in your text. The secret behind all this is something called neural network. Don't worry, I'll explain it in a very easy way. Let's start simple. Think of a neural network as a digital version of your brain. It has neurons, tiny calculators arranged in layers, which are input layer, hidden layer, and an output layer. Data flows through these neurons, gets transformed, and finally gives you an answer. For example, if you feed in pixel from a photo, the network learns patterns, edges, shapes, colors until it can say, hey, that's the cat. This basic structure is called RNN. It works well for structured data like numbers and for simple classification tasks. Now what when it comes to images or videos? RNN isn't enough. Enters the CNN. Instead of looking at the whole picture at once, CNN look at small parts like scanning through the photos with little filters. Imagine sliding a small window over a photo to detect patterns, edges, corners, eyes, whiskers. As you go deeper into the layers, CNN builds up from simple shapes to complex objects like faces, cars, or cats. That's why CNN are superheroes of image recognition. Now what about that comes in sequences like text, music, or even stock prices? That's where RNN comes in. RNN have a memory. They don't just look at the current input, but also remember what came before. Think of reading a sentence. The meaning of the current word depends on the words before it. For example, if you say, I drank a cup of, you probably predict the next word as coffee or tea. RNN doesn't exactly that by carrying context from past input. So to recap, RNN are the basic neural network, which are great for structured data and simple tasks, whereas CNN specialize in images and vision problems. RNN handles sequences like text, audio, and time series data. Together they form the foundation of modern AI, powering chatbots, recommendation systems, medical diagnostic, and many more.